Hello everyone, my name is K. Rohit Kumar and I am from CSM of third year BTech. I am here to explain about various ways of using LLMs, how they work and use cases. I am going to explain how each method works and its practical applications. First one, web or app integration. It works upon the basis of LLMs are embedded into web and mobile applications using backend services. When a user inputs text, the app sends the request to an LLM which processes and it returns a response. These interactions can happen in real time through cloud based APIs or locally hosted models. The use cases of these web app integration are AI driven customer support bots that answer frequently asked questions, writing assistant tools such as Grammarly or Notion AI that refine text. We can also represent the translation services, apps like Google Translate, the processes of multiple languages, and social media personalized content also comes under web and app integration. Second one is about APIs. APIs works on the basis of different things. They allows developers to access LLM functionalities remotely. The application sends a request like a text prompt to the API, and the LLM responds with generated text, summaries, or insights. This eliminates the need for local storage or high processing power. The use cases of these are AI powered search, Google and Bing enhance search with AI generated answers, summarization. News websites use APIs to condense long articles, code generation. Developers integrate AI coding assistants via API keys, example GitHub Copilot. E-commerce. AI product descriptions generated dynamically based on API requests, and we can replicate a model from Hugging Face. These works on the basis of These works on the basis of hosting thousands of pre-trained LLMs. Developers can download and run these models on their own systems for customization. Fine-tuning allows modifications for specific industries or applications. The use cases of these are medical medical diagnosis assistance. We can fine-tune the models to understand and generate medical insights. And we can also use these in legal document analysis. We can train the models for reviewing contracts and legal documents. We can also use this for customer sentiment analysis, using BERT or similar models to analyze product reviews. We can locally deploy a server or LLMs. These works on the basis of using cloud-based AI. LLMs can be deployed on an organization's internal server. This setup ensures complete control over data security and performance. It requires hardware like GPUs and software frameworks like PyTorch or TensorFlow. The use case of these are as enterprise chatbots, internal chat assistants for employees to access company knowledge, confidential data pre-processing. Government and healthcare institutions use AI for secure data analysis, AI-powered research assistants. Universities running AI models to analyze research papers. And the next one is retrieval augmented generation. Retrieval augmented generation works on the basis of and it enhances LLMs by allowing them to fetch and integrate real-time information from databases or internet. When a user asks a question, the LLM retrieves relevant documents and combines them into a more accurate response. Different use cases are available, such as customer support bots, AI retrieving real-time product availability or policy details, and AI assistants can be used to recently used case laws before generating the answers. Technical documentation assistants, AI pulling software manuals for developing developer queries, fine tuning LLMs. Next one is fine tuning LLMs, and these works on the basis of in base. Let us take a base LLM. A base LLM is trained on new domain specific datasets. This adaptation allows it to perform better in nice areas like medicine, law, or finance. Fine tuning requires labeled data and computational resources. Use cases are as medical AI assistants, AI trained on patient records to suggest possible diagnosis, finance and stock market predictions, LLMs customized for financial report analysis, educational AI tutors, AI specializing in curriculum based tutoring for students. Next one is AI agents and base model uses. We can automate tasks using these use cases. AI agents use LLMs to analyze data, make decisions, and automate tasks. They operate independently or interact with users to perform scheduling, research, or workflow automation. Use cases are virtual assistants, AI managing calendars and sending reminders. Example Google Assistant Siri. Automated market research. AI agents tracking competitor trends and generating reports. Workflow automation. AI handling repetitive office tasks like email responses and data entry. Base model usage. Base model usage also works on an unmodified LLM that performs general tasks like text generation, translation, and questioning answers. It works without fine tuning and but may not be optimized for specific use cases. The use cases are as casual conversations, creative writing, generate general knowledge assistants. We can locally run uh, a private LLM deployment. Running an LLM on our local system eliminates dependency on cloud services, ensuring greater data privacy. However, it requires powerful hardware, including a high performance GPU and sufficient storage. A strong GPU like NVIDIA RTX 3090 or higher for fast processing, at least 16 GB of RAM. The software requirements are operating system. Linux is preferred for efficiency, though Windows and Mac OS can also be used. Libraries and frameworks like PyTorch, TensorFlow, and Hugging Face and Transformers can also be used. Install necessary software and dependencies. Download a pre-trained LLM from Hugging Face or another platform. Load the model locally using available frameworks. Test the model with sample inputs like text generation or Q&A. Providing a LLM and network for a company. A private LLM allows business to maintain control over their AI system, ensuring compliance with data privacy regulations like GDPR. Companies can fine tune models for internal knowledge bases and deploy them on secure servers. Hardware requirements. On premises servers or private cloud infrastructure, high performance GPUs like NVIDIA A100 for efficient processing. We can use security measures such as data encryption protocols such as SSL or TLS to ensure secure communication. We can set up a private LLM using select. We should select an LLM that fits the company's needs. Then fine tune the model using proprietary data sets required. Deploy it on a secure private server. Set up an internal API for controlled access. Implement network security measures to prevent unauthorized access. మనం మన సిస్టంలో ఎలా ఒక ఎల్ఎల్ఎంని ఇన్స్టాల్ చేస్తామంటే ఫస్ట్ మనం ఒలామా అని కొట్టాలి. ఒలామా అని కొట్టిన తర్వాత మనకి ఒలామాని డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకోవాలి. ఒలామాని డౌన్లోడ్ చేస్తేనే మోడల్ రన్ చేయడానికి అవుతుంది. ఇక్కడ డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకుంటే మనకు ఫైల్ డౌన్లోడ్ అవుతుంది. ఆ డౌన్లోడ్ అయిన ఫైల్ని మనం సెటప్ చేయాలి. సెటప్ చేసిన తర్వాత మనం ఇప్పుడు టెర్మినల్లోకి వెళ్ళాలి. మనం ఆ మోడల్కి సంబంధించిన ఏదో ఒక ఒలామాకి సంబంధించిన ఏవో ఒక శాంపుల్ మోడల్స్ని గిట్హబ్లోంచి తెచ్చుకోవాలి. చాలా మోడల్స్ ఉంటాయి, అందులో మనం ఏదో ఒకటి ఎంచుకుంటాం. నేను మోడల్ ఎంచుకున్నాను. ఆ మోడల్ని డౌన్లోడ్ చేసి ఆల్రెడీ డిప్లాయ్ చేసి ఉంచుకున్నాను. ఆ ఒలామా ఉందో లేదో చెక్ చేయాలంటే ఒలామా అనే కమాండ్ ఎంటర్ చేస్తే ఒలామా ఇన్స్టాల్ అయింది కాబట్టి ఈ కమాండ్స్ అన్ని చూపిస్తుంది. సో ఇక్కడ మనం ఒలామా రన్ అని మనం మన మోడల్ నేమ్ ఇచ్చామంటే ఆటోమేటిక్గా అది అక్కడ మన మోడల్ రన్ చేయడం స్టార్ట్ చేస్తుంది. ఇక్కడ మనకి ఏమైనా క్వశ్చన్స్ అడుగుతుంది, అది రెస్పాన్స్ ఇస్తుంది. సచెస్ హాయ్ అని ఇచ్చామంటే హలో. ఒక చాట్ జీపీటీ వర్షన్లో వర్క్ చేస్తుంది, లైక్ 2+3 అలా మెసేజ్ని పంపిస్తూ ఉంటుంది. దీనికి కావాల్సిన ఆప్షన్స్ అన్ని చూడాలంటే ఇలా /question మార్క్ క్లిక్ చేయాలి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.